Hi everyone! In this video, we will identify prime and composite numbers. Classify the number as either prime or composite. A prime number means that it is only divisible by itself and 1. So we will test divisibility for all of the small prime numbers, starting with the number 2. To test divisibility for 2, we look at the last digit and see if it's even. If that last digit is even, then it's divisible. In our case, the last digit is not even, so it is not divisible by 2. Now let's test divisibility by 3. To test divisibility, we add the digits. If this gives us a sum that is divisible by 3, then the number 443 is also divisible by 3. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. 11 is not divisible by 3. So 443 is also not divisible by 3. The next prime number is 5. If the number ends in a 0 or a 5, then it's divisible by 5, and ours ends in a 3, so this is not divisible by 5. Moving to the next prime number is 7. This one doesn't have a nice divisibility test, so we'll just use our calculator. 443 divided by 7 is 63.2857. Because I have a decimal, it does not evenly divide, so it is not divisible by 7. Moving to the next prime number is 11. 443 divided by 11 is 40.27 repeating, which means it is not divisible by 11. I have a remainder or a fraction or a decimal, so it doesn't evenly divide. Now we will test the next prime number, 13. 443 divided by 13 is 34.0769. Again, because I have a decimal here, it does not evenly divide. So we can move to the next prime number, which is 17. 443 divided by 17 is 26.0588. Again, I have a decimal, so it is not evenly divisible by 17. The next prime number is 19. 443 divided by 19 is 23.3158. Again, I have a decimal, so it is not evenly divisible by 19. And I can see that if I divide by 23, the next prime number, that I'll end up with 19.2609, which is smaller than the divisor that I just did, so I didn't even need to do this one, because I will start working backwards in this direction, as you can see here. So we can see that with all of our testing, that none of our smaller prime numbers evenly divided into the number 443. Because of that, we can classify 443 as a prime number. That means it is only divisible by 1 and itself. And those are the factors, and that's the classification.